Harbor Hoist TRITON Series Control Level Sensor Replacement. If communication has been lost between the level sensor and the control, the port and starboard LEDs will flash rapidly together. Inspect the cable between the control and level sensor, and if damaged or cuts have been found, then the level sensor must be replaced. Remove the screws around sides and bottom of the control housing. Note: leave the top screw on each side of the control, so this can act as a hinge to rotate the enclosure backwards on the control chassis. Remove the 4 screws on the inside of the front housing that hold the faceplate module. Push on the studs to push the module out of the front housing. Unwind the module to loosen up the cable bundle to allow for easy access to the wires. Note: remember to rewind the cable bundle back up during reassembly for easy installation. Locate the level sensor connections. Verify that the LED above the connections is illuminated. If not, then the main control board needs to be replaced. If the LED is illuminated, then verify that the sensor wires are connected and secure. If not, reinsert wire leads and retest. If it is still not working properly, the level sensor needs to be replaced. Replacement of level sensor. Remove the wires from the screw terminals, noting location and color of each, so they can be easily replaced back to their proper location. Feed cable through the cable gland off of the front control housing. Remove any wire ties that hold the cable in place. Loosen the grommet on the bottom of the chassis and feed the level sensor cable through. Take the new level sensor cable and feed cable through the grommet on the bottom of the chassis. Note: do not tighten this grommet until the cable has been routed back to the main control board. Feed the cable back through the control as it was originally, and up through the wire gland in the front housing. Reconnect the sensor wires to the main control board in their proper orientation. Verify by operating the control for a couple of seconds in the raise or lower mode. It is very important that you recommission the lift as instructed in the operation manual. This includes verifying proper operation for raising and lowering without the vessel on the lift, as well as recalibrating your replacement level sensor. Before installing the faceplate module back into the front housing, twist the module a couple of times to wind the cables into a bundle. It will be easier to manage the wires as you are installing the faceplate module. Replace the 4 lock nuts that hold the faceplate to the front housing and tighten. Replace the screws around the perimeter of the front housing